Welcome back to section 3 of my PHP course. In this section, we will be talking about operators in PHP, and in today's episode we will specifically talk about arithmetic operators. So before we start, let's create a new folder and call it operators. Inside our operators folder, let's create a new file and call it arithmetic.php. Let's type in doc, hit tab, and refresh the browser. Let's open our operator in arithmetic.php. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations on more than one operand. So let me add a comment inside PHP tags. If you ever followed a math class or used a calculator, you have seen some of the standard arithmetic operators that we have. So we have addition, we have subtraction, multiplication, we can divide, and we have something which is called the modulus. Let's create a new variable and name it variable x and set it equal to 5. And let's also echo out variable x. We can add a calculation where we can add 5 to variable x. There are multiple places where you can do this. This can be done right in the variable, but this can also be done right in the echo. So let's test this out. Let's start with the variable. I want to say that variable x is equal to 5 plus 5. Let's save it, refresh the browser, and you can see that the output is 10. Let's remove it from the variable and add it right after the echo. Let's save it, refresh it, and the output is 10 as well. What we could do next is to create a variable, and let's call it variable x and set it equal to 3. Inside our echo, let's replace 5 with variable y, and let's subtract variable x from variable y with a minus sign. Let's save it, refresh the browser, and the output is 2, because 5 minus 3 is 2. We could also use multiply with a star sign. Let's save it, and you can see that the output is 15. You could also divide variable x from variable y with a backslash. Let's save it, refresh the browser, and the answer is 1.6666 and many more sixes. The last arithmetic operator might be one that you've never heard before, and this is the modulus. The modulus operator is used to find the remainder of division between the two numbers. Of course, this needs to be positive numbers, so let's test it out. The modulus is written down with a percentage sign. Let's save it, refresh the browser, and you can see that the output will be equal to 2, because we have our first variable, which is equal to 5, and if we divide 5 by 3, which will be 1.666, but the remainder is 2, and that's what we're looking for. So let's replace the value of variable x with 6, let's save it, refresh the browser, and you can see that the output is 0 because 3 fits twice in 6, and the remainder is 0. This was it for this episode. If you do enjoy my content and you want to see more, leave this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button.